Limestone, mud bricks, wood, and stone chips were used for construction of ancestral homes. Later, cement and asbestos sheets were used. Modern homes are made using iron, steel, cement, and bricks made of fly ash. In modern homes, wood is being replaced by different kinds of plastic, glass, and aluminium for doors and windows to avoid cutting down more trees. Most ancestral homes had verandas in the shade of the house where families would sit in the evenings. Verandas also protected the walls of the house from rain and dampness. Modern homes have balconies in high-rise buildings. Thick walls and high ceilings kept the ancestral houses cooler in summer as there were no air conditioners or coolers at that time. In modern homes, it is not possible to have high ceilings in high rises as there are many houses built one on top of another. All ancestral homes had ventilators near the ceiling to let in air and light. These used to be opened and closed using ropes. Most modern homes do not have separate windows for ventilation. In some homes, rooms like the kitchen and bathroom are installed with exhaust fans to remove the stale air and bring in fresh air. In ancestral homes, an aangan or a courtyard was a must. This is where a lot of the housework got done. In modern homes, aangan is not available. Every ancestral home had its own well, mostly in the aangan. In modern homes, there are huge underground tanks that are filled with municipal water. At times, tube wells are bored into the ground. In ancestral homes, toilets were either in the aangan or a little distance away from the bedrooms. But in modern homes, the toilets and bathrooms are attached to the bedrooms. In ancestral homes, the drainage system was very simple. There were open drains that carried kitchen and bathroom waste into gutters. In modern houses, drains and pipes are concealed. Let's make cement blocks. Mix 4 spoons of cement and 2 spoons of water in a pre-greased plastic pot. Leave it to dry. Similarly, vary the amount of cement but always use 2 spoons of water only. Pour your mixture into different pre-greased pots or glasses. Make sure you mark each glass to know how many spoons of cement you have taken. When they dry, turn them out of their plastic containers. Use a hammer to see which one is the strongest. You will notice that the mixture with the most amount of cement is the strongest. Nowadays, there is a grave need and awareness to conserve the environment. Hence, there has been a shift in the use of construction material. For example, wood is being replaced by different kinds of plastic, glass, and aluminium for doors and windows. This is being done to avoid cutting down more trees. We should take more such steps in this direction to conserve environment.